Want to score better in DU exam without studying 10 hours every day? Here are 3 smart hacks every DU student should know. Hack 1. First, solve previous year question papers from official DU examination portal. Many important concepts and question patterns repeat every year. So practicing PYQ gives you a clear idea of what to expect. Hack 2. Understand the marking scheme before writing your answer. Structure your answers with proper introduction, headings, and key points, conclusions according to the marks allotted. Presentation can make a big difference. Hack 3. Revise using official self-learning material and trusted university notes. They are concise, reliable, and perfect for last-minute revision. Save this reel and follow DuWaale for more DU study hacks.